Okay, so welcome to the cabin 25. I'm in the engineer's seat right now. We'll go through a couple of the controls that get the job done. This is the throttle. Independent brake controls the locomotive brake shoes. Train brake controls the brake shoes on the rest of the train. This is the Johnson bar. The farther forward we go with this, the more steam is admitted into the cylinder. And as you're going down the road, you can bring this back towards center to use steam more efficiently, and then all the way back is reverse. And it's power reverse. There's an air cylinder down there that helps us to move the appropriate parts of the valve here. Got our gauges, brake gauge 1, brake gauge 2 up there, and we've got our engineer's steam pressure gauge at the top left. And we got our tricocks here. If the water glasses both go out, we can determine that we've still got water in the boiler, which is very important, obviously. Engineer's sight glass over here. And then we'll head over to the fireman's side, look at some of their stuff. Firebox, obviously, got the fire in it. Fire makes the steam, makes the train go down the road. Then over here we've got the fireman's sight glass. Fireman's pressure gauge, hydrostatic lubricator, which feeds steam oil to the air compressor. We've got the fireman's manifold here with the oil control and the damper control. So this controls your fuel, this controls your air. He's basically a human carburetor. Then over here we've got the fireman's manifold with the valves and all. We've got blower, which is what we're using to draft the fire while we're sitting. We've got the injector to put water in the boiler, rate control for the injector here, atomizer to control the atomization of the fuel in the firebox, and then heater, blowback, and tank heater. We don't usually use these. The tank heater was used back in the day when they used thicker oil. There's a radiator coil in the oil box on the tender there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for a steam engine. There's lots of other little valves and things, but that's what we use going down the hill.